Struggling with error 0x8024500C after a Windows update? Let's fix it quickly with these simple steps. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on System, then go to Troubleshoot. Next, click on Other Troubleshoots. And hit Run. Choose Yes or No when prompted, and then click Close the Troubleshooter. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. For the next step, search for Service and open the Services app. Double-click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service and make sure its status is running. Do the same for Windows Update and confirm it's also running. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Now, right-click on the Windows Start button again and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Then select Proxy. Turn off any proxy settings there. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Next, search for Regedit. And open it as an administrator. Click Yes when asked. Copy the registry path from the video description, paste it into Regedit, and press Enter. Right-click on the Windows folder, choose New, and type Windows Update as the name. Then click New again and select DWARD 32-bit value. Name this new value Disable Windows Update Access. Double-click on it and set the value data to 0. Finally, close Regedit. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.